India is going to the hustings. First phase of polling, 102 seats spread across 21 states. The entire state of Tamil Nadu also up for polls in the first phase. We're going to get you all of that. But first up, taking you through the headlines. But before that, let's take you to Gandhinagar. That is Amit Shah, the Home Minister, filing his nomination from Gujarat, Gandhinagar. He is the sitting MP from Gandhinagar. And once again filing the nomination. He's the one who replaced stalwart from the Bharatiya Janata Party, L.K. Advani, on the seat of Gandhinagar. And Amit Shah coming in to file his nomination papers in Gandhinagar. Gujarat also up for election in the fourth phase. The latest that is coming in right now. Amit Shah filing his nomination papers from Gandhinagar. All of this ensuing a massive roadshow, viewers, which took place yesterday, which Amit Shah held in Gandhinagar, and today filing his nomination papers. You're going to get our viewers the latest coming in from the ground while India votes in the first phase of polling across 102 seats. All eyes on VVIP candidates filing in their nomination, and Amit Shah one of them. Gujarat has been one state where the Bharatiya Janata Party has swept in 2019. The Hindi heartland, Rajasthan a clean sweep, Gujarat a clean sweep, 26 seats out of 26. And that would be the game plan of the Bharatiya Janata Party this time. And these visuals coming in of Home Minister Amit Shah filing his nomination, a sitting MP from the seat of Gandhinagar, which belonged at one time to L.K. Advani. He's accompanied by the Chief Minister and other senior leaders of Gujarat, giving in his nomination papers. All of this after yesterday, where Amit Shah held a massive roadshow in Gandhinagar through the streets of Gujarat and Gandhinagar there. We're going to continue to get you more as the Home Minister waiting in to file his nomination papers from Gandhinagar. All right, seemingly taking a meeting with leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party. These visuals coming in. We're going to cut across to my colleague Poulomi Saha as well. But visuals of Amit Shah filing his nominations from Gandhinagar coming in. Gujarat, 26 seats, of course, not in the first phase of election. India has begun to vote, 102 seats going into elections across the country. Namely, you have Tamil Nadu, 39 seats going to vote, plus one if you count Pondicherry. Arunachal Pradesh state elections to be held at the same time today as polling continues in Arunachal Pradesh as well. But these visuals coming in from Gandhinagar, that is the constituency of Amit Shah. He has been in Gandhinagar since yesterday, filing his nomination papers today. Let's move on. We're going to come back to the visuals.
उनके लिए यहाँ पर उमड़ते हुए देखा, उससे पता चल रहा था वो कि एक तरह से जो उन्होंने अपने लिए और अपने कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए एक टारगेट सेट किया है, वो टारगेट अचीव करने के लिए सारे कार्यकर्ता जो है वो निकल पड़े हैं। क्योंकि जो पिछली बार 2019 में मार्जिन ऑफ विक्ट्री था वो 5,60,000 के करीब था। इस बार उन्होंने तय किया है कि वो एक रिकॉर्ड सेट करना चाहते हैं और वो 10 लाख की मार्जिन से जीतना चाहते हैं, जो कि हाईएस्ट एवर होगा, हाईएस्ट रिकॉर्ड होगा। पिछली बार 2019 के लोकसभा चुनाव में जो हाईएस्ट एवर एक मार्जिन ऑफ विक्ट्री लोकसभा चुनावों में रहा, वो 2019 में कायम किया गया। वो नवसारी से सीआर पाटिल, जो यहाँ पर गुजरात भाजपा के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हैं, उन्होंने एक तरह से सेट किया था। और इस बार अमित शाह का कहना है कि अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को उन्होंने एटलीस्ट टारगेट दे रखा है कि वो 10 लाख के मार्जिन से जीत हासिल करना चाहते हैं। पूरा परिवार जो है उनका इसी काम में लगा हुआ है, खास तौर पर उनके बेटे जय शाह।
All right, that's my colleague Poulomi reporting. Third phase is when all 26 seats of Gujarat will go into election. What you see on your television screen is Amit Shah. The last time around, even in the state assembly, which followed the 2019 election, the BJP had won 156 of 182 seats. It was possibly the best ever showing in a while, where the BJP comes into question in Gujarat. And these visuals coming in where the party cadre coming out, giving gifts to Amit Shah. He had addressed the cadre meeting yesterday where he said he wanted to win from the biggest margin ever. Poulomi, who's was tracking his roadshow yesterday, is joining us while he files his nomination.